I'm trying to get motivated and take a walk around the river along the Esplanade, but sometimes I get distracted and stop by the pool. Food Panda just showed up, and here's another Food Panda coming in. Things like Food Panda, the deliveries were trying to come in, and we're not catching on until this lockdown. Now everybody's using the food delivery. This condo's not open yet. Looks like they're almost finished. It's all painted inside. Fire sprinklers are already in. The sprinkler heads, everything's in. So I don't know how much is left. They're getting down towards the end of it. They said sometime this year it's supposed to open. I'm sure they're not selling very many right now. I appreciate the fact that the condo is very close to the river. This is the river walk right here. It is one way. So you can't just kind of go down a little bit. If you walk, you kind of commit to going a full circle, which is what I was going to do. But yeah, sometimes it's nice just to walk a little ways and then walk back. But since it's one way, you're not really supposed to do that. You're supposed to end up making an entire circle. One way, this way. Zumba corner is over here. They got the yellow dots on the ground where they take their Zumba class every night. I should find out what time that is and come out here and look like a dancing bear. Zumba is going to be starting soon, and that is how you mark your space. Some people are using water, an umbrella, a rock. It's how you mark your space. Then they hang out over here until it starts. I'm going to go walking instead. Okay, people keep asking, what about medical? Well, there's a hospital right there, and there's two more over there. There's another one, there's four within walking distance. Not sure exactly where the fourth one is, but that is the river. This is the Esplanade River Walk. That's the condo. It's really a good location. I am overpaying, and I'm okay with that because it's a good location. And I need to buy a fishing pole. I don't eat fish, but I enjoy fishing. The fishermen tend to congregate on this bridge, the Carpenter Bridge, right by Medical City. You can read about the bridge, and I don't know why the fishermen are not here today. We're still a decent ways from Diversion Road, and the road I came in on is way down there. So this big open area is nice, but I don't think it's ever going to get used for very much, because it's a long way from anything. But it looks nice. And a kid just jumped over this to go. They're doing some fishing over here. So there's a few of them. Fishing's popular over here. On the far end, along Diversion Road, I found all the fishermen. This one wanted to be by himself and sit in the bushes. I think there's no motorcycles allowed, but what are you gonna do? You can barely see my condo from here. I'm up at the turnaround point. We have some nice artwork. The bridge is decorated nicely. And I have to go down that bridge, unfortunately, because this walk is so peaceful and quiet and nice. But I have to get to the other side now, and I have to go out on this noisy bridge. But I like the city, and I like the crowds, so the bridge is okay. As long as I don't get run over by a jeepney. Where I started my walk, it is not marked one way. But this end is marked exit only. So it is one way. I was informed correctly. but where I started doesn't say. So I could have turned around where I was and gone back and never known that this was here. It's easy to play the stupid foreigner card anyway. I'm going the wrong direction. What happened? Oh, I got distracted by all this stuff. There's a store. I wonder if they have a kitchen shelf I could use. I should look into that. So, back onto my walk. No more distractions. There's a lot of real pretty plants, all the flowers and trees. I really like it. And here on the bridge, if you look really close, framed in the center of that plant is my condo. I never made it to this one. It's on the other side of the river. It's, I think, uptown, midtown, I forget the name. Indoor pool, which is neat during the rainy season, and it's directly on the river. And they have balconies. I probably should have looked at that one. Just never made it over here. I meant to. I've mentioned before that I was really, when they said they were going to clean this river up, put in the esplanade, I didn't believe them. And I was shocked. They really did all the work to put it in. And they have done amazing work at keeping it nice. They're keeping it clean. They're keeping the plants going. I got to give them really good credit for this. The last 3 mayors have been just really good at keeping up with this river walk. Okay, I'm starting to figure this one-way bit out. It's not too far up there to the main road, and there are some restaurants here. This is one of the side entrances to Smallville. And from here you can walk in and walk out. Hey, that looks like Tim. He might be following me. From here it is marked one way. So from here down it is one way. From this part you can walk in and walk back out. And yes, I know this foreigner, so I guess I'll be hanging out with him for a while, which is cool. We were going to lunch together later anyway. I didn't know if he was up to do a morning walk. I guess he is. See if he recognizes me. I'm hiding. I think he saw me. Hey, Joe.
You know my name.
I didn't know if you were up for a morning walk, so I started a morning walk. You must walk faster than I am.
Yeah, I try to do 11-minute kilometers. I know it's not fast as far as...
That's about the speed I shoot for when I'm actually walking.
Yeah.
I'm strolling today.
That's right.
I really like this walking app. It connects with my watch. It has a whole big screen of information, heart rate, map, pace. It's really cool. That's 4 different screens, but it gives a lot of good information. And then we always relax and enjoy the sunset.
Enjoy your day in paradise.